Hi guys, and welcome back to my brand new YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. On this YouTube channel I will publish videos about tutorials for Amazon KDP, income reports so you stay motivated and focused on your business, and tips and tricks to optimize your Amazon KDP business. So in this video, I have another income report for you guys. I want to show you my orders, my royalties for my second month of Amazon KDP, which was January 2022. Without further ado, I'll see you in 10 seconds, my friend. So now we are back at the KDP reports, and I want to show you my orders, which I got in the month of January 2022. Like you see on the screen, I selected the dates from the 1st of January to the end of January, and I managed to get 6 sales of Amazon KDP. As you can see, my top marketplace was Germany because I'm a publisher from Germany, so I published my first book on Amazon.de. It's the German marketplace. And my non-fiction book did very well in the first month. The sales decreased in the second month, but that's no problem. I also published my first low and no content books in this month. As I said, I'm a publisher from Germany, so it takes a little bit of time to publish the book on Amazon.com. So I published my low and no content books on Amazon.com. And it takes a little bit of time to get ranked for the keywords, ranked for the title, and rank for the book in general. The first low and no content book that I published made me sales in the next month, so in February. This month, as I said, I have 6 units sold. My top marketplace was Germany, and now we show you how much royalties are made in this month, in my second month of Amazon KDP. Now we are at the royalties estimated for the month of January 2022. As you can see, my 6 units brought me royalties of 36 euros and 29 cents. As I mentioned in my video before, I'm a German publisher, so my currency is euro. I can change it real quick into US dollar, and we can see that I made in my second month over $40. A little bit of decrease in comparison to the last month, but anyway, I managed to get sales. I managed to make royalties, which made me really happy and helped me to still stay focused on my Amazon KDP business, get motivated in publishing more books, publishing in profitable niches to increase my sales again. As you can see, my royalties are all from Germany. We have 35 euros from my print royalties. This includes the paperback version of my non-fiction book and the hardcover version of my non-fiction book. We also managed to make royalties from the KENP. That means if you publish a non-fiction book and select it to the Amazon KDP Unlimited program, you get paid for people who are reading the ebook. So they're reading pages of the ebook and you get royalties from Amazon. I think every 100 pages are 10 cents, something round about this. So this all made me a total of 36 euros, which is $40. I hope you like this little quick income report from my second month of Amazon KDP. As I mentioned before, if you don't want to miss any future income reports, tips and tricks, or tutorials for Amazon KDP, hit the subscribe button. I wish you all the best, enjoy your day, and we'll see us in the next video.